Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure a short sale with the real estate group, full guide step by step clearly. To secure a short sale with the real estate group, start by understanding the concept of a short sale. A short sale occurs when a property is sold for less than the outstanding mortgage balance. First, assess your financial situation honestly. Determine whether you qualify for a short sale by showing financial hardship. Compile necessary documents such as income statements, bank statements, and the mortgage statement. Next, contact the real estate group to schedule a consultation. Discuss your situation with a qualified agent experienced in short sales. They will guide you through the complexities of the process. Once you've established a relationship, prepare to list your property. Your agent will help set a competitive price, considering current market conditions. Market your property effectively to attract potential buyers. Ensure proper disclosures and necessary inspections occur. Once you receive an offer, your agent will present it to your lender. The lender will review your documents and the offer. Be prepared for further negotiations, as lenders often counter. Stay in close communication with your agent throughout the process. Keep your lender updated regularly to avoid unnecessary delays. Once an agreement is reached, finalize the short sale with your agent and the buyer. Your agent will help with all required paperwork for the closing. After closing, ensure all documentation is properly filed with the lender. Maintain open lines of communication with all parties involved for a smooth transition. By following these steps, you can successfully secure a short sale with the real estate group. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.